What's up, everybody? Wanted to do a real quick video and talk about something I just got in the mail. This is a repop toy. This is the Evel Knievel Stunt cycle, and I think it's California Creations that did a repop. This was like $35 shipped, and I just got it in the mail. If anybody's close to my age, around the age of 40s, 50s, or even older, and remembers Evel Knievel, but this toy was legendary. I had so much fun with it. And I just got it in the mail. I basically unboxed these two pieces first. So you just put them together, and this is how you get the toy going. But let me see here. Basically, it's going to come with Evel Knievel Stunt cycle. I will say the bottom, the old toy used to be like a aluminum, so this is just a plastic. So, but for 35 bucks, honestly, the cycle itself looks pretty good. And set that there. You get Evel, and the detail is actually not bad. I think for 35 bucks to be able to have something kind of a blast from the past. So he's kind of a movable, you can adjust him. Let's see his helmet. So I took a lot of pictures, so I'll be able to put some pictures up. So there's Evel. And basically, yeah, I just wanted to do the unboxing. I'm going to try to set up some jumps and see how it rolls. But anyway, if anybody out there like me is looking for a blast from the past, I would definitely consider maybe picking one of these up just to have some fun, or if you have kids, or really anything. So anyway, I'll make another video soon, and we'll see if Evel can make some jumps. So alright, peace out, you guys.